This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the right tubes and thinning the paint. You need flow without losing pigment. Mix small amounts on a palette and add 10–30% water or poster medium while stirring. This improves brush glide and avoids cracking. Once done, test a stroke on scrap paper to judge opacity and coverage. Make sure to note whether you need one layer or multiple layers, because layering builds depth without muddying colors, and drying time will vary by thickness. You block in large shapes first with flat washes to establish composition. Let each wash fully dry so edges stay crisp. Then refine edges and midtones, working from light to dark where possible. This prevents overpainting and preserves luminance. Once mid-layer is stable, apply glazes at 1/4 to 1/2 strength to shift hue or increase saturation without obscuring underlying detail. Make sure to maintain a clean palette and rinse brushes between colors to avoid muddy mixes and keep transitions smooth. You finish by sharpening edges and adding highlights with a small brush loaded with thicker paint. Short, confident strokes produce crisp marks. After detailing, let the sheet cure 24–48 hours before varnish or framing. This prevents smudging and adhesion failure. If you notice cracking, lifting, or beading while working, stop and assess. Often the paint is overthinned or layers are incompatible. Make sure to test a slightly thicker mix or add a compatible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.